Socialist Party (PSP), formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram, seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs, and religious minorities. Draws inspirations from the ideas and teachings of Sahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy Naicker, and Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Stands for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of Dalits and oppressed people. It has its main base in the state of Uttar Pradesh and substantial presence in neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and Punjab. Formed a government in Uttar Pradesh several times by taking the support of different parties at different times. In the Lok Sabha elections held in 2014, it polled about 4% vote but did not secure a seat in Lok Sabha.
CPIM. It is founded in 1964. Believes in Marxism-Leninism. Supports socialism, secularism, and democracy, and opposes imperialism and communalism. Accepts democratic election as a useful and helpful means of securing the objective of socio-economic justice in India. Enjoys strong support in West Bengal, Kerala, and Tripura, especially among the poor. Factory workers, farmers, agriculture laborers, and the intelligentsia. Critical of the new economic policies that allows free flow of foreign capital and goods into the country. Was in power in West Bengal without a break for 34 years. In the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, it won about 3% of votes and 9 seats.
National Congress. It is popularly known as Congress Party, one of the oldest party in the world. It is founded in 1885 and have many experience. It played a dominant role in Indian politics at the national and state level for several decades after Indian independence. Under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, the party built modern secular democratic republic in India. After 1989, its support declined, but it continued to be present throughout the country. 7 Indian Prime Ministers have been elected from the party and 6 others have been former members. Jawaharlal Nehru, Kulsarlal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, P.V. Narasimha Rao, and Manmohan Singh were the active members of the party during their prime minister tenure. Rahul Gandhi is the current president of Indian National Congress.
Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party was formed in 6th April 1980. It is one of 2 major political parties in India along with Indian National Congress. It is the ruling political party of the Republic of India since 2014. As of 2019, it is the country's largest political party in terms of representation in the national parliament and state assemblies. BJP is a right-wing party and its policy has historically reflected Hindu nationalist positions. The BJP's origin lies in the Bharatiya Jana Sangh, formed in 1951 by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. The official ideology of BJP is integral humanism, first formulated by Deen Dayal Upadhyaya in 1965. It was founded by Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Lal Krishna Advani, now leading by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with other political leaders.